Welcome to Brobench videos. In this video, we're going to talk about the security aspect in Brobench. So we know that the way the world it is, security is utmost important thing to consider, think about, and scrutinize when you are installing and using a new software, be it service provider or as part of extension or a locally installed. Doesn't matter any third party. You need to vet to make sure that it is secure. We take security of your data very seriously, and we always think about that security aspect when we're implementing any of the features. Um, so we want to take this opportunity and then go through some of the things that we are doing to provide to safeguard your data. Okay. So the Brobench is a Chrome extension. It is headers to manifest version 3 from Google Chrome team, Google Chrome standard. So the important bit about manifest v3 is that we cannot execute any JavaScript in the product which is not included as part of the initial package. So before it used to happen that the extensions when they develop, right? So they get reviewed by Google team with one version. Then later they download a the newer version of the script, maybe with a malicious intent, and run that particular script, and so that actually exposes your data to other means. But that is not possible with the manifest v3 header runs. So we provide 100% of the code that we run for Google to review, and we publish into the Chrome store only after they have reviewed it and make sure that it adheres to whatever the security standard that they have. That's the first thing. We protect all your sensitive information very carefully, uh, and the tier 0, the sensitive uh, things that you provide to us as part of Brobench uses is typically the access tokens or credentials to connections and all that. So we have created the concept of master password. So which you set it up when you install this particular extension for the first time, and that particular password is never shared outside of your computer, and it is never actually even written to the file system. So the only you and your memory knows that particular password. So every time you launch the product for a first time, you need to provide it. So next time you have to provide again. If you restart your browser or if the session times out, then you will have to provide that again. So without which you will not show any of the information within the Brobench app, right? So even if let's say you somebody launches this particular application, they will not be able to go to the Brobench and then interact with it without you providing that master password to unlock the app for the first time. Okay, so that is to make sure that the highly capable the systems like Brobench that exposes gives full access to your data, whatever the level that you have. We want to safeguard it, and it only opens up after you provide this master password. We use a industry standard encryption algorithms to encrypt the data, encrypt those secrets using that master password. So we use EAES with the SHA-256 to encrypt those secrets, and so those are virtually unbreakable once you encrypt them without having access to the master password. So here I want to mention one thing, that the there are two aspects to encryption. One is that the algorithm that we are using, which we can make choice, we can decide about algorithms. Of course, we are using industry standard algorithms, and then the secret, the password that you provide that we use to encrypt the data. Both has to be stronger to ensure a stronger encryption at the end of it. Let's say we are using industry standard encryption, but you provide a weak master password. Let's say the 4 characters